Let's jump right into this deep dive. We're breaking down exactly what you actually need to know about e-commerce GST. So the biggest fear for new sellers, that GST is going to totally eat your profit margins. Let's fix that. First up, should you try registering for GST yourself using those confusing free YouTube tutorials? Honestly, no way. Just hire a chartered accountant. They charge minimal fees and save you from massive future headaches. Here's a crucial tip. Never use a relative's name. Grab your own PAN and start simply as a proprietorship firm. Next big question. Can you run this whole e-commerce gig using your home address for GST? Absolutely. If it's your own house, an electricity bill works. Renting? You'll absolutely need a rent agreement and your landlord's NOC. Now, here is a massive relief. Do you seriously have to file these taxes every single month? Nope, you can actually opt for quarterly filing. That means you only deal with taxes 4 times a year. And what if you get 0 sales? You just file a nil return. You owe the government absolutely nothing. Want to offer fast, next-day delivery across state lines without a physical office? Just register a virtual place of business. Okay, let's talk limits. Selling physical goods? Your GST threshold is 40 lakhs. For services, it's 20 lakhs. But beware, that 40 lakh limit, it only applies if you strictly sell within your own home state. The second you accept an order from another state, even on your own website, GST becomes completely mandatory. Platform rules vary. Amazon and Flipkart require GST upfront. Meesho lets you start without it, but with strict limitations. Selling on Insta and taking QR payments, the government tracks those digital transactions. Seriously, don't risk a tax notice. So, the million-dollar question, does GST actually come out of your own pocket? Let's look at selling saris. Look at these costs. You buy stock, packaging, and run ads. You're paying GST on all these upfront expenses. In this sari example, you've already paid roughly 78,000 rupees in GST directly to your vendors and the marketplace. Then, when you finally sell those saris, you collect about 27,000 rupees in GST directly from your customers. Since your vendors already sent that 78,000 to the government under your GST number, your ITC wallet is full. So, to pay the 27,000 you owe, you just use your ITC wallet. You pay literally 0 out of pocket. See, GST isn't a penalty, it's a brilliant offset system. Are you going to let tax fears delay your empire?